Student visit to a construction site, HSE Batch 163. At International Safety Solutions, we believe that practical exposure is essential for developing competent health, safety, and environment. HSE professionals. As part of our commitment to hands-on learning, HSE Batch 163 visited an active construction site to gain real-world experience in construction, operations, hazard identification, and workplace safety management. During the site visit, students had the opportunity to observe and learn about construction site layout and ongoing activities, hazard identification and risk assessment techniques, working at height safety practices and fall protection systems, scaffolding safety and inspection requirements, personal protective equipment (PPE), compliance and workplace discipline. The role of HSE professionals in ensuring a safe and compliant work environment, empowering future safety leaders through practical learning. Thanks for watching, and for more, contact us.